This is a voiceless consonant. You can hear it at the beginning of the word soon, in the middle of the word Mr., at the end of the word hiss, and at the beginning and end of the word cease. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Soon. Mr. Hiss. Cease. Okay. For speakers of some languages, it may be difficult to tell the difference between the voiceless sound s and its voiced partner z. Listen carefully to hear the difference. For each example, I'll say the word with the voiceless sound s first. Hiss, his, course, cause, place, plays, gross, grows. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Hiss. His. Course. Cause. Place. Plays. Gross. Grows. Okay.